everyone, Nababo ko Belen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, we are going to stay in this humble house dito po sa may Mexico, Pampanga. I want to show you this property, this vacation rental house. If you want to know more, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! That's okay. Okay, so first off guys, let's go to the pool area. Ayan. Hi baby! This humble vacation house actually has three main sections lang. So the first one is the swimming pool area. Ayan. And then the other section is actually yung kanilang dining area or yung messy hall. So doon kumakain, cook your food if you're planning to cook here. And then the last one is yung main area natin or yung main house natin, which is the A house. Dito sa pool area, you have umbrella right here. Pool natin starts 1 foot up until 4. So very suitable for kids. Coming inside dito sa A house natin is actually again very humble, small place area, good for small family. Actually yung maximum nito is up until 15. More than that, medyo cramming stage na tayo dun sa numbers ng people na pwede dito guys. Pero inside, ayan, good thing naka Hermes theme yung ano natin ngayon, A house natin. So this one is actually a pull-out bed. Meron din tayo ditong television, good for Netflix, internet, YouTube, pwede rin siya. We also have a rocking chair and a place for your Instagram. Now this one actually is parang ano siya, vanity mirror. There you go! This is a toilet and bath. And then let's go upstairs. This is the main area for, sleeping area. This is the main sleeping area. Ayan. It has 4 mattresses, good up until 6 siguro maximum, 8 with, small kids. Pero ito yun, this is the main sleeping area, which is already air conditioned. Actually, this door right here is an access papunta dito sa pool area. There you have it. So again, very humble, very simple. It's just a small area for small family. You're gonna have intimate time with them. Even the pool, they mag-enjoy din yung mga kids actually kasi hindi siya ganun kalalim. Guys, if you're interested to know more about this or you want to add this on your bucket list or future to visit, make sure to contact the fan page or the number we're going to be providing in the caption below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next one. Let's explore Pampanga, let's discover great places dito po sa Pampanga, and support local. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.